Searching, or how to use HUBnet to find like-minded others, a person with a skill, a group with a shared interest, or the answer to a question you might have. Now, although there is a search bar on HUBnet, the search function is limited. There is no advanced search, but you can still find people, for instance, somebody with a similar interest. You can also find people with a certain skill, or re-find somebody who I spoke to lately. I can then look up their profile, see other topics that they are interested in, and find their contact information. Now maybe I don't know exactly what the person is called who I spoke to in the hub. Then I can navigate to the hub I was in, for instance, Singapore. Look at the members who are listed on the right, and then find out if I can re-find them by looking at their picture and contact them again about the interesting conversation we had. Now, the downside of the search function is that it does not let us search per hub. This means that sometimes you would like to meet somebody and work together with somebody who is near you, who is local. Now, because we cannot search per local impact hub, it's handy if perhaps you can add your location to your profile text. For instance, if your skill is WordPress, then if you add Amsterdam, then I know how I can find you here and that we can work together on my WordPress website. It's a good idea to add all your skills, interests, and a profile picture to be best found for the best connections. Now, next to people, I might want to find a group of people. This I can do also by adding a search word, and then I'm looking to the right hand side where I see matching projects and also a WordPress project. I will find a group of people that are interested in this topic or might be skilled in it. So on HUBnet, something is called a project, but actually it is a topic of interest. Now, next to finding people and projects, I can also find conversations that have been held before. Perhaps I'm interested in finding an accountant, but I don't want to search the accountant per se in a network. I want to know who else is looking for an accountant. Hey, Ryan Shackleton is also looking for recommendations for certified accountants. By hashtagging our conversations right, we can find together similar conversations. Now, an accountant is maybe not the best example, but perhaps if you want to look for ways to help others in a network, you can see what they are looking for. If you then search for the hashtag seeking, you'll find everybody who is looking for something from the network, and you can see where you can help others. If you want to know about any great opportunities in a network, you might want to use the hashtag opportunity and seek conversations that talk about opportunities that are offered right now. Lastly, I have some search tips. You can best use synonyms and related words when you search for something. You can also try to use a short, sustainable, and a long version of a word, sustainability. You can search for people and for posts. You can adjust your profile so that you can be found. And if you cannot find it by using the search bar, please dare to ask for what you need. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any other questions or video requests, please let us know. Together, we make HUBnet the virtual impact hub.